Welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. If you've never been to Valwayne's Home and Gardens before, welcome. Now let's look at 12 things you need to have in a DIY design kit in order to do a basic scaled floor plan for a given space. Number one thing that I would suggest to you to have in your toolkit is graph paper. Number two is a scale. The graph paper and the scale, remember we want to do a scaled floor plan, which means that it will be representative of every inch of that measurement of that space. That brings me to a measuring tape. We need to have a measuring tape in order to get the size of the room, window placements, doorways, how wide the doorways are. Number four, a T-square. Number five is a metal ruler. When you get into doing your furniture placement and you may want to cut out little representations of tables or chairs, the best thing for you to have is a metal ruler. Because when you start using that X-Acto knife along the metal ruler, it's not going to cut into it. Number six is a circle template. Another template you need to have is a plumbing template. This is another must-have, a furniture template. Number nine, you need to have a color wheel in your DIY design kit. Now, number 10 is your pencil. Just about any pencil will do for a DIYer. An eraser for when you make boo-boos. That's number 11. And here's something else you need. This is an eraser shield, and I will show you exactly how it is used when I get into showing you some tips and tricks in doing your bird's eye view of what you want your room to look like. That's what a basic floor plan is called. It's a bird's eye view because you're looking down at the plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave your comments below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe now before you leave. And remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.